Hey folks, how you doing? Sergio here with Miami Gearheads. So what we have here is a 2014 Ram 1500, and what I'm experiencing is I'm getting water intrusion, water leaking on inside the cab. So especially on the passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and diagnose the problem. This truck does have a sunroof, so that's basically a red flag right there. If you have a sunroof on a truck or a car, they're all basically designed the same. We're going to start by troubleshooting and obviously fixing the problem and the methods to doing so. So we're going to go ahead, let's walk through this.
So if you open your truck door and you see water on your mat and your carpet after maybe some rain or maybe you washed it, well, if you have a sunroof, this could be possibly one huge flag when you look at this stuff. So let's go step by step and troubleshoot. So here you are. I've noticed a little humidity, moisture on the glass. So if you have a sunroof, this is the troubleshooting procedure. Let's check it out right here. So we're looking at the sunroof when it's open, and here you're looking at the channel, which is basically this is like where the water drains through. Let's call it a pan. So we're looking each side, the passenger side, there's a drain. There's a little hole where you see that little area right there. Hold on a second. Okay, so that's one there. This is the passenger side. And then you have the driver's side. There's one on the other corner over there. Hey, Max, what's up? Yeah, the dog is supervising me. Well, here we are. Look at the hole there, the drain. And we're checking. Now we're going to blow it with the compressor. We're going to go and put some air right through that drain right there. Right there. Hold on a second. Okay, now we're doing the driver's side. We're blowing some air on the drain, through the drain to get all the dirt, debris. Sometimes it's leaves and just build up over the years. So I'm blowing air right now, and I think this should be nice enough to say it's clean. Let's make sure now. Okay, so let's keep going here. This here, that circle right there that I'm indicating, that's where the drain, the water comes out of, or should come out of. It comes through here. There's a little pipe that comes from the actual drain pan. And then the drain pan has a little hose that runs down the pillar, and it comes down to there on both sides. There's one here on the passenger side, and then the one that we just saw. Those two, water should come out of there freely, So that's why it's so important. Look, this is where all the dirt came out of, because the passenger side was the one that was clogged. You see all that's on top of the spring and the hinge? All that was inside there. When I blew it, it all came out. I was having problems with the passenger side, not the driver's side, right there. That's where the water should be coming out of. It's already, I already blew everything, so we should be able to get a good flow right there. Good flow of water, nice and clean. And it's just, I'm adding water now to the pan with the hose, and you see the water coming out. No more water inside, it's all outside. So that's it. That's basically what we're doing here. So I hope, this side here, the driver's side, I must have put too much water and it overflowed from the pan and it came down through there. So no, don't be alarmed. That's not because it's, clogged. It's because I put too much water and it just kind of like an overflow, I would say. Once you blow that and, all the debris comes out and all the, the buildup, then you just put water, clean it, and let it go. You don't need to put any chemicals there, just plain water with the hose. If you don't have air, you could also take a little rubber hose and put pressured water and just blow all of it out. You could do that too. Me, I have a compressor, so, that's how I do it. So here we're going to be looking at on the driver's side. See how the water comes out through the drain plug? It's flowing just right. See that? Perfect, all clean. So we're good. We're good. Both areas have been cleaned with the pressured air, and we're good to go here. You know, I can't say enough. So okay, so we did this side, the driver's side. It's all clean. You notice on top of the hinge where the spring is, this side wasn't dirty, so there was no dirt or debris that came out when I did the air. The passenger side did, but if you notice, there's some water on the mat that came out through here. Well, obviously that's just the overflow. I put too much water and it didn't drain fast enough, and it just poured over. So don't worry about that. No alarm there. Here I'm checking to verify that we have no more leaks. Yay! So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much.